Hello students, my name is Dheeraj Singh and welcome to my English class. Today we are going to learn the first chapter from your class 9th English book, and the name of the chapter is The Fun They Had. Now see students, this chapter is about a school classroom which is made in 2157. That is, the story is a futuristic story. Okay, and in this story we will compare between the present schools and the future schools, how the schools are made in future and what kind of things are used in the school in the future years. Okay, so the date here used in the chapter is 17th May 2157. So now it is 2020 and it is 2157. That means it is almost 140 to 137 years ahead. Okay, in the future, approx you take it around 140 years ahead in your life. So in this time, in the future, after 150 years, how the school will be it be same with the present school? So we are going to get a comparison between the two types of school. Okay, so let us go back again to the beginning of the chapter, where we can see how the materials, what kind of materials are used in the school that time, what are the things that are used, and are they different from the present classrooms, or how are they? Okay, so let us see in the future schools, what do we get? We get learning through computers, virtual classroom, robotic teacher, and moving e-text. E-text means electronic text. Okay, so first the students, they will learn from computers. Second, their classroom will be not a classroom like you are studying today crowded with all kind of your friends and classmates. These are virtual classrooms where you will find electronic gadgets around you. Okay, they will be helping you to teach. Your teacher will be not be a general man or woman like us, not a sir or madam like us. It will be a robotic teacher, it will be a mechanical teacher. Okay, and your books will not be simple books which you use today. It will be displayed in the digital electronic device. Okay, in an electronic device, for example in a computer, TV, or a computer or a TV or a tablet, where your words, your sentences, your chapters, your text will be moving. In your book, does the text move? No, it stays still. But in the future schools, you will no longer read in such kind of books. It will, your chapters will be recorded in a electronic device, and it will move back and forth, okay, according to your need. So let us start the chapter. Margie even wrote about it that night in her diary. On the page headed 17 May 2157, she wrote, "Today Tommy found a real book." So dated, it is dated 17 May 2157, and that day she wrote in her diary. She was entering in her diary. Okay, she was making a diary entry, and she wrote that Tommy found a real book. It was very old book. Margaret's grandfather once said that when he was a little boy, his grandfather. So it was very old book. Okay, it was almost 150 years or 200 years old book, and Margie remembered that Margie's grandfather once said, her grandfather once said when he was a little boy. Okay, that when his grandfather was a little boy, he told him that there was a time when all stories were printed on paper. So Margaret's grandfather was a person of our time. Our time means this time where we live today. Okay, so his grandfather told Margie that there was a time when all the stories, that means all the chapters, your stories, are written on printed paper, were printed on paper, like your books, they are printed on paper. They turned the pages which were yellow and crinkly and it was awfully funny to read words. So what is the meaning of crinkly? Crinkly with many fold or lines. When you fold your books again and again, it becomes some lines there. The pages slowly begin to wither, slowly begin to damage. That is called crinkly. So Margie's grandfather said that they used to read books, and they used to, in order to read, they used to need to turn their pages in the book. So it seemed to them funny because they never saw a book. Margie, she never saw a book, neither did Tommy, because they were reading in electronic gadgets. They were reading it in as moving e-text. It was awfully funny to read words that stood still instead of moving the way they are supposed to on a screen. So they found it funny. The words written in the books they found funny because they just stood in one place. In their time, the text were moving back and forth as you need. Okay. It had the same words on it, and it had when they read it the first time. So they thought that it will be very funny to read the books, because read the pages, because the words they still remain there without moving, and they will remain the same if you read it 100 times also. In their computers it used to be changed, but in the books they do not change. Gee, said Tommy, what a waste. When you are through the book, you just throw it away. So Gee, said Tommy. So Tommy thought it was a waste. It was a waste. Means it was not a useful thing. When you are through with the book, just throw it away. So Tommy told her, when you finish with the book, just throw it away. Because Margie was now looking at the book. So Tommy said, after watching the book, you just throw it away. It is a useless thing. Our television screen must have 1,000,000 books on it, and it's good for plenty more. I don't throw it away. So Tommy said our television screen, it had 1,000,000 books like this. It had thousands and thousands, crores of books like this inside it, and it can also accommodate many more. So they would never throw a computer screen or a computer away. But these books are useless, we can throw it away. Same with mine, said Margie. She was 11 and hadn't seen as many telebooks as Tommy had. He was 13. So Margie was 11 years old, okay, and she was little younger than Tommy's. Tommy was 13 years old, but she had not seen so many telebooks. Now what is telebooks? Telebooks are electronic books, okay, just we say books which are fit or recorded in a computer, that move, their words move in an electronic display. So these are called telebooks. So Margie had not seen much telebooks. Okay students, so that's all for today. The remaining part of the chapter will be discussed with you on my next video. Until then, stay safe, stay home, take care. Goodbye. Thank you.